The ZoeeTree Bluetooth Speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the ZoeeTree Bluetooth Speaker. It has an FM radio and a few features that Bluetooth speakers in this price range normally don't have. You can pick this up online for $23. I have the link in the description below. Let's take a look at the speaker. The speaker comes with a USB cable for charging and also doubles as an antenna for the FM radio, which we will go over in a bit. It also comes with an aux cable. The speaker body has a nice rubber feel and the grill is metal. The top, you have the mode button, previous next track button, play, and volume controls. On the back, you'll find several ports. You have the aux port, the on and off button, USB port for charging, and a TF card slot. Let's see how the audio sounds using Bluetooth and the FM radio.
Enter to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
For the FM radio, you want to use the USB cable as an antenna, so just plug it in the back.
Enter radio in plane.
The ZoeeTree Bluetooth Speaker. It's a decent sounding speaker with some added features. The FM radio and also the card slot. This speaker will provide you with about 8 hours of playtime and 100 hours of standby. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.